Hi, my name's Robin Mail. This is the latest in my trolleybus collection, model trolleybus collection, which is the chassis of a Swiss mega trolleybus which is currently serving in Geneva. And you can see how the double articulation works with steering on the front axle, power to second and third axles, and the rear steer on the third. Okay, I've been building model trolleybuses now for probably something like 10 years. And this is the latest completed model I've done, which is to gauge 1 scale. That's 10mm to the foot, so this one's about a foot long. And it's Bournemouth MF2B. And it was, in fact, this one was the last trolleybus to be delivered to a British operator in, I think, 1962, if my memory serves me correct. They're 12 volt DC, digital controlled, so they can run 2 or 3 on the same overhead wires, each independently controlled. They're guided by a magnet with an iron wire sunk into the road surface, and well, I enjoy it, and it's really good fun. It takes me about a year, I suppose, to build each bus from scratch, using brass chassis and Meccano wheels and 12 volt motor and gearbox, and from start to finish about a year, depending on how well things go. The cost to build each of these is probably about £100, I suppose. The most expensive items will be the motor and the gearbox. Probably together they're about £25, and then there's wheels, brass section and all, and the passengers inside, of course, they're about £30 worth, and the plastic and paint and so on, so about £100 I would guess. Oh, there's probably about 140 feet of wire, I suppose, in the overhead, which is the most difficult and tedious part of the whole construction. Takes a lot of fiddly soldering on a bench to plans, and then they're installed once they're all completed. The trolleybuses are controlled with a standard Hornby digital controller, and each bus has a number. The double articulated is number 4, and the original Bournemouth trolleybus, the MF2 is MS2 rather, is number 1, and the final one, the Bournemouth MF2B, that is number 2. So it means they can all be controlled independently on the same circuits. I plan to exhibit these at the National Trolleybus Museum in Doncaster next September 2010. So anybody who's really interested can come along and see them there.